Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to do a resin galaxy pour using two different methods. So let's get right to it. For the first method, I'll be pouring resin over a 4-inch MDF coaster. So the first thing I've done is prime the MDF base with some black acrylic. Since we are doing a galaxy pour, I've painted the whole thing black. So also make sure that your base is leveled. So the first thing I do is pour the base layer, which will also act as the background. So some resin mixed with black alcohol ink and some holographic glitter. So the reason I used alcohol ink is so that the background is a little bit translucent and not opaque. So this will make the glitter shine a little bit more. Since the base has already been painted black, the glitters will pop up more. So cover the base fully with resin and then allow this to fully cure before moving on to the next layer. So it's the next day, the resin is fully cured, and now we are going to put the colors of the galaxy, or basically my colors of the galaxy. So I like to use purple, blue and pink. So what I do first is put a little bit of clear resin all over, and then I'm using metallic pigments and mica powders. So they tend to have a little bit of shine in them. So once you mix up all the colors, put them over the clear resin. Use your heat gun to spread it, and since this is a small 4-inch coaster, you can even use the straw and blow it around. Once you spread all the colors, allow the resin to fully cure. So the next method I'm going to try is using the alcohol ink. So I've already poured the resin into the silicone mold, and I've put a little bit of glitter in it, holographic glitter. So I'm using a mix of alcohol inks and the Petri inks. I have a video on it if you're not seen it. So combination of black, purple, pink, blue followed by the white alcohol ink. So hoping to create the galaxy look with these colors. Not sure if it's going to work out. We're going to see what happens. It's the next day, the resin is cured. I actually like what has happened in the back. It looks more like a galaxy there. Let's see the front. Okay, so the Petri effect has happened, but I don't know if it looks like a galaxy. I like the back more. What do you think, guys? Okay, so just comparing the two of them, I think both of them look really cool and unique in their own way. The alcohol ink method, I just like the back one more than the front. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment and share for more videos. I'll see you soon in the next one.